GSM remote camera model 007M4. To start, you have to take this out, push the small button in the corner there, take it out and put a SIM card in. Put it back on, click it in. Then next step is connect the power, plug in the power. Then when you see the light comes on, it's time to reset in the back of here. This is the reset button to activate all your magnet units or PIR. But first I'm going to show you how to take it all out. Take the lid off, put the battery all in, make sure you put it the right way. There's only one way to do it. It's very simple. Click it on. So when you see the light comes on, it's ready to be activated. Same goes for the PIR. So you have to take this small screw in the back, you have to take it out. So make sure you put batteries in all the units you're going to use. And when the power is on this one, on the main unit, you push the reset button. Just take a pen and you push this one here. When that's done, you're going to get a red light on the right side behind the status. Then the next step is to activate all your units. When that's done, you put it back on to close it. Then you're gonna get a double flash on the red light or a beep. Then the next step, you turn on first. When you see the double flashing down here on the same place as before, is activated. This is the procedure you're going to do with all the units you're going to connect. So after around 20 seconds you're going to get a green light. Then they're all ready to use. Then you can connect the camera. Just connect it in the back. Type it on and screw it on. And to get the camera to work, you have to set up all the MMS settings. And to do that, you need a phone. You can just follow the manual. And to do all the settings, you have to first put the code. The factory code is 123456. And all the settings start with that code. It's very, very simple. So just follow the manual to set in. You have to contact your network supplier to get the settings for the SIM card. Then you have to set all the phone number is going to call when it's an alarm. That's very, very simple setting. So just follow the manual and it will not be any problem. If it is a problem, just give us a ring or give us an email. I will help you out. Thank you very much.